What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to break down the number one free way to learn how to book your calendar full of ceramic coating jobs. Whether you're a detailer who's been focusing on $200 jobs and you just want to step up your profit, or you've got a shop, you just want to inject a little bit more profit margin in your business with ceramic coatings, this is a free training on how to make your ads, run the ad campaigns, nurture all those leads, and actually close them and book them into your calendar. Let's get into it. All right, so this is our Coding Profit Playbook mini course. If you go to the link below this video, there's a free sign up link. All you do is fill out the information, you get free access to it. It's a 4-module course. I've got a welcome module up here. It just kind of walks you through the whole process. And then this is kind of the meat and potatoes of the actual training. So first module is ad creation. In this video, I take you through making ads from scratch, whether it's exactly which ad to make, either video or image ads, the problems that most detailers run into when they try to make ads, as long as some of the other pitfalls along the way of making it high quality, whether you've made an ad or not, you have no video editing experience, you have no idea where to start. I'll show you exactly how to do it, exactly what to stay in the ad. There's 2 different options on what we put in the ad, whether it's a process ad or a benefit ad. I break down the whole thing in this training in this first video. And the whole thing about the training is there's little assignments after. If you do all the assignments and watch the videos, you get a bonus module, which is this turn leads into cash. It's the reward training. In this one is where I break down our entire sales process. So, I'm going to tell you how to get a bunch of leads. And then the real kicker is if you can turn those leads into actual paying customers, right? So in this reward training, if you do step 1, step 2, and step 3, fill out the little 2-minute assignment where you just give me some feedback on it so I can answer your questions. I unlock the reward training for you. And inside of this one, you get my exact sales script. I show you how to write your own if you want to do that with all the templates of what to put in it, just word by word. But you also get my exact sales script that I use every day. I'll just give it to you. We give you a big database of sales call recordings of me actually selling real customers ceramic coating, so you can hear like the cadence and the tone and kind of the flow of how it goes. You also get a training on how to do mobile ceramic coatings, as well as our full equipment list with links so you can get the cheapest supplies out there. So if you finish the module in less than 5 days, you get this totally for free. It's just a little add-on. Back to the actual training. So step 2 is campaign setup. This is where I actually walk you through how to make a Facebook ad campaign, whether you've made one in the past or not. Maybe you've boosted an Instagram post trying to get some traction and didn't go well, or maybe you've worked with an agency that either worked or didn't. There are some good ones out there, but a lot of them are pretty scammy. So I know a lot of detailers that come from that side of it. I show you how to fix all those problems, how to step by step what to do to set up the ad campaign, and to get actual qualified buyers into your pipeline. Now, step 3 is the pre-sell. This is a huge part of it that most people just skip. They put up an ad, they start getting leads, making calls, and it just doesn't go anywhere, and that sell is really hard. In the pre-sell one, I break down a cheat code to just get all your buyers ready to buy before you ever get on the phone with them. We do it with automations because it's the only way to actually do it at scale. If you get 100 leads, you're not going to be able to touch base with all those people one-on-one. So we do it with automations. And again, whether you've done this in the past or not, you have no idea what software to use, I show you exactly what to use, how to build it out, what to put in each of the automations, because we have one automation for follow-up, like nurture, and then we have a long-term automation after they're done with that one. So like when they first come in the ad, I'll break it down a little bit. They get day 1, they do 3, 4, 5, and 6. We text them every single day, just touching base, trying to get them interested again and wanting more information so that we can give them a call and sell them on the coating. Now, if they don't, and I'll show you what to put in all those messages, like to just make the sales process a lot easier. Now, if they're not interested or they just don't respond, maybe they're busy, those first 6 days, we move them to a long-term automation, which is like 8 months long of automated emails and texts that go out less frequently because we don't want to annoy them and kind of push them away from us, but we want to nurture them and show that we know what we're talking about so that they trust us and they go with us. I'll show you exactly what to put in that long-term automation as well. And again, I'll show you exactly the softwares and everything. So there's no mysteries about it. I just pretty much break it down in terms of what to put in it, what to not put in it, especially for detailers who have never done it, or maybe they had it done for them and they want to do it themselves. I break that down in this module here. So that's kind of the full run through of step 1 through 3. We make your ad, show you how to use your ad and set up the campaign inside of Facebook Ad Manager, and then we show you how to pre-sell them on the back end. That way when you get on the phone with that lead, they're ready to buy ceramic coating, rather than getting on the phone with them. They're like, oh yeah, I saw your ad. I need to protect my car. What is a ceramic coating? Like they're starting from square one. The pre-selling just makes that sales call a lot smoother and a lot easier for you to make the sale. So show you how to do that. That's an important step. And then again, if you just do those, watch the videos and then do like a 2-minute assignment, giving me some feedback on it, I unlock the reward training and I show you how to turn all these leads into actually booked customers into your calendar. And then of course we've got frequently asked questions here throughout it. If you have any questions, you can just DM me one-on-one and I'll get back to you. And then a full equipment and supplies list here with links to everything, just because this is a really common question I get is, what kind of, soap do y'all use? What do y'all use for, detail brushes? And I have links to everything as well. That way you can find the cheapest prices out there. That's just kind of a bonus we throw in here. But yeah, if you're a detailer who wants to scale their business, wants to stop doing kind of $100, $200, $300 details, jump up their profit margin a lot with ceramic coatings, do about 5 jobs a week and still make $20,000 plus per month, makes the business a lot simpler, a lot more profitable. I did it with my own business. I've done it with dozens and dozens of other detailing businesses across the country and Canada. So everything I know is in this module, totally for free. If you want access, just go to the link below this video, click on that. It'll take you here to get access to the free mini course, and I will see you guys inside.